From the winds of Kapalama, met as classmates at the Kamehameha schools, bonded through their time in the concert glee club. They're inspired by the elegance of the Kahonlik trio. Olau Niu blends tradition with their own Leo Nahe Nahe, crafting harmonies that pay homage to an older era of Hawaiian music. So they invite you to sit back and relax as the gentlemen of Olau Niu greet you with their musical sound, passion, gentle passing winds, the breeze of Kapalama. One more time, please, a big round of applause for Olau Niu.
Hey aloha, kuone anau. Ia mai ka puana no ka ului I ka makani na ke kupa me no I a oki na mea Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to say Allah. Thank you very much.